Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Gala price prediction and Gala news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Gala in 2022. Gala Games aims to set a new direction for the gaming industry by giving players back control over their games. The mission of Gala Games is to create blockchain games that you actually want to play. The project plans to bring creative thinking back to games and give players control over games and in-game assets using blockchain technology. Players can own non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and influence the governance of games in the Gala Games ecosystem. The Founders Nodes voting mechanism allows players to influence which games Gala should develop and which games should receive funding. In addition to buying NFTs for certain games, Gala Games also uses Gala, its own utility token. So far, Gala Games has released one finished game, Town Star, and an NFT collectible series, Vox. Since launching in 2019, Gala Games has grown to 1.3 million monthly active users and sold 26,000 NFTs, the most expensive of which was valued at $3 million. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Gala. Gala gains 117% in February as P2E crypto gaming goes mainstream. The play-to-earn, P2E, gaming sector of the cryptocurrency ecosystem has been one of the sectors most resilient to the volatility and price declines in the past couple of months, as gamers are jumping on the ability to earn income while playing tokenized video games. One project that has seen its token price climb rapidly in the first week of February is Gala, a protocol focused on utilizing blockchain technology to give players control of the games they play and the in-game items they acquire. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView shows that the price of Gala climbed 117% after hitting a low of $0.177 on February 2nd to hit a daily high of $0.384 on February 7th. Three reasons for the rapid recovery in Gala price are the upcoming launch of several new popular games on the protocol, a series of new partnerships that have helped expand the Gala ecosystem, and the growth of the Gala user base, which continues to hit new record highs. Launch of new games. The $30 billion P2E gaming sector is growing rapidly, and protocols that wish to keep pace and remain relevant need to launch new games and maintain an active user base. It is in this light that Gala has been adding support for new projects in the ecosystem, such as the upcoming launch of Spittertinks and Legends Reborn. Aside from the gameplay, the newer generation of games launching on Gala has tapped into some of the growing trends in the P2E space, like land and venue sales that provide users with a way to earn passive income, helping to grow a larger pool of community members who are invested in the protocol long-term. Partnerships with other protocols. A second factor helping to bolster the momentum for Gala has been the addition of new partnerships that are helping to expand the reach of its ecosystem. This includes a recently announced collaboration with the 888 Inner Circle community on Twitter, which is a community of more than 205,000 members who are fans of digital art and collectibles. Growing user base as a result of the expansion of the Gala ecosystem and the addition of ways to earn a yield through gameplay or other methods, such as running a Gala node, the community has seen a steady increase in the number of users over time, especially since the beginning of December 2021. According to data from Dune Analytics, the total number of Gala users stood at 122,230 on February 7th, a figure that has tripled since November 7, 2021, from 40,380 users. Meanwhile, Vortex data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro began to detect a bullish outlook for Gala on January 27, prior to the recent price rise. The Vortex Core, exclusive to Cointelegraph, is an algorithmic comparison of historical and current market conditions, derived from a combination of data points including market sentiment, trading volume, recent price movements and Twitter activity. As seen in the chart above, the Vortex Core for Gala spiked into the green zone on Jan. 27 and hit a high of 82, around 48 hours before the price gained 114% over the next 7 days. If you are looking for Gala price forecasts for 2022, 2025 and 2030, then you have come to the right place. We will share some of the most anticipated questions that seriously require attention and accurate answers. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Gala a good investment? How much will Gala cost in 2025? Or how much will Gala cost in the next 10 years? Gala price prediction 2022. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Gala could cross 33 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2022. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2022 will be around 28 cents. Gala course prediction 2023. Gala will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Gala course will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2023, the Gala rate will be almost 38 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 47 cents. Gala, the average price forecast for the end of 2023 could be around 40 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Gala course forecast 2024. Galas have great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Gala, the price could rise much higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of 67 cents. Gala is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of 55 cents, a minimum price of 53 cents, and a maximum price of 67 cents. Gala rate forecast 2025. It appears that by 2025, Gala prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2025, we can expect the average rate to be 78 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that the maximum price of Gala could be up to 92 cents in 2025. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Gala rate forecast 2026. The current Gala price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Gala could reach $1.32 by 2026, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $1.10 for 2026, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2026. Gala course prediction 2027. The cost of Gala will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2027 is bullish. Gala is expected to reach a maximum rate of $1.83 by the end of 2027, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Gala will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Gala will be between $1.52 and $1.58 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Gala ranges from $1.52 to $1.83 for 2027. Gala rate prediction 2028. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Gala will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2028, Gala is expected to peak at $2.63. The minimum bet could rise to $2.14 if the market turns bullish. Gala course prediction 2029. In 2029, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Gala will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $3.70 in 2029. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $3.21, with a maximum price of $3.70 for 2029. Gala price forecast 2030. For a long-term forecast of the Gala price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Gala will rise to around $4.53 by 2030, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2030, the year may end with a maximum price of $5.49 with a minimum price level $4.37.